Hey Mark, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. Just make sure on your homepage you have more than 1500 words, because Google love content, and also with the right keywords and correct way to save pictures. For example, if we see here, you see it saves like numbers. So if here would be like some keywords, it will be better for you to rank for your website. So the second thing I want to talk about is a citation. If you come to the Google, we can see Google Guaranteed here. Then we can see ads here like we used to see. But now in 2020, a lot of people have ad blockers, so it's 50-50. Some people can see, some people not. And then down here we can see the map pack. So the what is citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and serves with their and would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on this map here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition directory listing and seeing what they are currently being listed in, and you want to try to go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you just don't want to just stop what they have. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. The last thing I want to cover is backlinks. So that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And as we go here, we're gonna see the Yelp, then we're gonna see their expertise, then we see their home advisors here. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link to you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole website's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff, it's not gonna do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's gonna be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these tools that I have here, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea from of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. I see here you have 35 referring domain. This brings you more than 5,000 backlinks, and you are getting found for 147 organic keywords. And out of those keywords, you are getting 299 people on average on your site each month. So just to you have a picture, I want to show you one of your competitors here. See, they have 826 referring domains. That brings them more than 4,200 backlinks, and which is getting them found for 7,800 keywords. And out of those keywords, they have more than 18,000 people an average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in that. And if you're interested in this, give us a call. And that's pretty much what I had, and I hope this video has been educational for you. And if you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help you grow your business online, please give me a call and and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy your free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. And thanks again, Mark, and have a great day.